Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you here what I just got at Trader Joe's, and I want to show you the total amount of the bill. This is all ketobiotic friendly. Again, you just have to remember that you have to stay within the allowed macros, which is for carbs, it's no more than 50 for menopausal women. So I got my mineral water, I got my pasture raised eggs, I got, burrata, which is delicious, and I pair it with eggplant and tomatoes. I have my Gouda cheese, my thick and creamy Greek yogurt, and produce. I have potatoes, English cucumber, avocados, bananas, which I rarely have. These are for people, my grandson and my son who love them. And I have Campari tomatoes. I have carrots, which I make for my dogs. I have frozen asparagus. I have organic baby broccoli. And this, I am very intrigued. Artichoke bottoms. They look absolutely amazing. And then I got zucchinis, celery, romaine, garlic, of course, and then my meats. I have, sorry for the blurriness. I have charcuterie, which I have with my cheese as a snack. I have flank steak. I have organic ground beef, which is 85% lean, to make my meatloaf, and I have pork chops. This is interesting, which I can't wait to make it with the zucchini and the Campari tomatoes. It's got total carbs of 2, because you take the total carb and you subtract the, sorry about that. You subtract the dietary fiber, which leaves for per serving 2 grams of carbs, which isn't bad at all. I have my dark chocolate, and I have this body oil, which I love. And they're probably gonna, be done with it because they do seasonal stuff. But yeah, all of this was, let me see here. Sorry again. A total of $135.99 it looks. Okay, there you go.